Hello everybody, in this Rhino 7 video demo, I would like to show how ridiculously easy it is to model a toy dinosaur using the Subdi tools. Okay, let's start. Let's begin by drawing the skeletal structure using control point curves. Okay, now I would like to draw the legs. Make sure that the object snap, the near snap is being turned on and the planner is also being enabled. Okay, let's use the control point curve again. Let me switch to the right view. Something like that. Now let's draw the hind leg. Okay, something like that. Okay, let me adjust this a bit. Okay, now let's mirror the legs, okay, to the other side. And we can do so easily by using the mirror command, pressing and holding the shift key to turn on the temporary auto. Okay, yeah. So we got this. Okay. Next, we need to give flash to the dinosaur. To do that, we can simply use the subd multipipe, okay, or type multipipe at the command prompt. Okay, select all the curves, press enter, and let's set the subd pipe radius to say 6. Okay, and I want the cap ends to be on. Okay, and the strut divisions, let's set to 0. Okay, enter, and you can see that, yep, we have created the structure of the dinosaur. Okay, at this moment the dinosaur is very skinny. Most probably he hasn't eaten for a few months. Okay, so let's fatten it by manipulating some of the control points. So I'm going to select the dinosaur and turn on the points. Okay, and let's select some of the points. Pressing holding a shift key. Okay, maybe here. Okay, and let's scale this guy a bit. Give it some food, okay, to fill the stomach. Okay, maybe something like that. Okay, and let's proceed to sharpen the tip of the tail. Pressing holding the shift key. Oops, let's do it one more time. Okay, something like that. Okay, I reckon I can also thicken this part slightly. Okay, pressing and holding the shift key. Okay, if you need to like change the direction of the arrow to be something that's more normal to the control points, you can right mouse click over the gumball and maybe select align to object, okay, so that you can have the arrow being aligned to the normal of the control points. Okay, I think I'm almost done with getting the form out. The thing I need to do is to add the eyes, and I reckon I could either do it using the subd way, or I could use the Boolean operations such as Boolean difference to get the eye socket. Okay, let's try the Boolean method. Okay, so to do that, you have to convert this subd to nubs, okay, by using the to nubs command. Okay, let's select this thing, press enter. I would like to delete the input. Okay, now this object has been converted to nubs. Okay, so let's add the eyes, okay, or rather the eye socket. I think I want to put it somewhere here. Mirror this to the other side. Okay, let's use Boolean difference now. Okay, Boolean difference. Select poly surface to subtract from is this. Enter. Poly surface to subtract